listen. But I don't know what it is, gentlemen, that I want to start. It is not verse, nor estrabot, nor a servant. I can't give it a name, and I don't know how I might write it if I weren't able to finish it in such a manner that one never saw a similar one, made by a man or by a woman, either in this age or in the other one that has passed. Although you think it foolish of me, I still can't resist expressing what I think. One ought not to blame me for it. I don't give a damn about all that exists as opposed to what I see and watch, and I shall tell you why. It is because if I had begun and never reached a conclusion, you would consider me a fool. It is because I would better like to have 6 sous in my hand than 1,000 suns in the sky. Let my friend never fear to do something that would grieve me. I endear him. If he doesn't want to aid me in my need, let him offer to help me after much tarrying. For none can deceive me with more ease than her who has conquered me. I mention all this because of a lady who keeps me languishing, for all her nice words and for all my long waiting. I don't know why. Could she be good for me, gentlemen? A good 4 months have passed, yes, and they feel like 1,000 years to me, since she granted and promised me that she'd give me what I most desire. Lady, since you keep my heart in thrall, sweeten its bitterness for me, God. Help me in the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. What will it be, lady? For I am, for your sake, gay and full of wrath, sad, happy, you make me sing. And I have, for your sake, left 3 women who have no equal but you in this world. And I am a mad and courteous singer whom people call a jester. Lady, you can do what you want with it, just like Dame Mima did with that shoulder bone, which she stuck where it pleased her best. Now I finish my I don't know what for. I have decided to christen it so, since I haven't heard of such a thing before. I had indeed to call it this, and whoever wishes to enjoy it may repeat it when he has learned it. And if anybody asks him who has composed it, he can say, the one who can well take care of all business when he wants.